Basic crypto world, free learning and earning. Stay with us. Welcome again in Basic Crypto world. I am not a financial advisor or a astrologist, so I can give you any oriented guarantee. This is only of my trading point of view. You can see now this is it was our order block, but we get two good bounce in this two zone, but this time we can't get any good bounce in this zone. So we can see the market is bearish, too bearish. See this, our lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. But this time we can't break our lower low or higher low. This is our higher low, this is our higher low. We don't break this higher low. If we break this higher low, that time we can see a lots of bearish moment in this crypto market, and we fail this resistance only 20,500 we can reach, but we can't go there. So this time we can follow all the market is worldwide all market is going down. SPX 7.7, DGI market 0.43. You can see Nasdaq, DGI, DXY. Subscribe Basic Crypto World and click bell icon. Crypto market is too volatile. Do your own analysis first, then take a trade. This is only for the education. And we can see now our crypto market. Lots of coin is now red mark. So this time we have to play very crucial time. You can see the fresh market, and we change the color, click the color theme and click light. This is our light, but I don't like this view, so always the time I make video in dark mode. This is the dark mode. You can see this is our big support zone. It was 80,500 or 200, but we face this zone is several time, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth time. When we detach a support 3 or 4 times, that time this support was will be too weak. This time if we break that, we can see our market too low. We can view a monthly. See retest zone. See this. This is BTC perpetual, and this market is too small. This is our Bitcoin US dollar. We can see 14,000. This is our monthly support zone, 14,000. So now we can see this zone, but we can't told this market respect this zone, because already market lost their too much volume. See this monthly volume too big, but now very poor volume. We can see another way, coin market cap. So let's see coin market cap. Total all market coin cap is too low. It was sometime 4 or 5 months ago, it was 2 trillion up, but now only, see this, only $379 billion. Only $379 billion, all total market cap. Sorry, it was exchange market cap. This is the total market cap. Total market cap is today's now 921.1 billion. 5.09% decrease in last day. So we can see a lots of bearish moment in this time. I think you also can know what I want to say to you. This is our zone. This is our last zone. This is our nearest. I want to see this market $10,000 in very soon in and last 29, 30 and 29, 30 and 1st October. Very crucial in this 3 days. If we don't go in this 3 days, then we can see the more pump. Obviously, because $17,500 we can't break. If we break this zone, that time we can see $10,000. But you don't wait this zone. You can place your order 12,000 or 13,000. If not come in this zone, that time you can blame to me. So you have to place your order step by step. There is 20%, there is 20%, and your big 40% is there, this zone. Okay, I think you can realize this. This is very shortly update, important quick market update in this time and this moment. So ready for the bearish moment and a big accumulation zone in 12,000 to 10,000. But we can see Bitcoin in this zone also. Not more than 7,000. If it's break, then we can just deadly in Bitcoin. So let's see what's happening in the in these days. But you can see one moment, please. 2018, this zone. When 2018 we going to printed the bottom $3,200. That time we going to up in only 4 hours. We can see the 4-hour market, and I giving the picture in my video. So try to accumulate your Bitcoin in spot, no future trade, because market will be too volatile when it's going to under $12,000. Okay,